Hello, today let's enjoy a trauma recovery boots massage. It includes a pair of leg cuffs with cover, a connector horse, a control machine and a remote, a carry bag. First, put covers to the cuff. Second, connect the horse to the cuffs. Third, close the covers. Fourth, connect the machine to the power. Fifth, connect the horse to the machine. Sixth, put on the cuffs. Well, it's my pleasure to show you the details of the control display. Turn on the machine. Here is time setting. It's adjustable from 1 minute to 99 minutes. Sort press to decrease or increase 1 minute each time. Extended press to reach 1 time quickly. That will enjoy 20 minutes. Here is pressure setting. It's adjustable from 30 mmHg to 240 mmHg with 8 levels. That will enjoy 180 mmHg. Here is position setting. It has 8 chambers, which means there are 8 airbags in each cuff. Compared to common 4-chamber unit in the market, the 8-chamber unit can provide much more massage feeling. The position setting allows focus on or skip a specific area. For example, if we want to skip chamber 2, we can make its light off. In this situation, the boots won't work with chamber 2. Later we will enjoy full leg compression massage. So let's make the chamber 2 with light on as well. Here is the model setting. It has optional 6 programs. That will enjoy B program. Now let's start. By enjoying program B, sequential compression, successful application of sequential air compression in lymph. It promotes blood and lymph circulation, squeezing some waste and metabolites that makes people pain and uncomfortable into the main loop and removing them, thereby eliminating edema. Especially for lymphedema after surgery, the effect is significant. Besides, in the process of separating venous blood and lymphatic tissue fluid reflux, it can drive quickly lymphatic and venous blood to the lymph proximal end, reducing the acromegaly pressure during decompression wound deflation. Arterial blood supply is increased rapidly, so that the lymph blood oxygen supply is improved rapidly, and metabolites and pain-causing substances are removed. It's more helpful to get rid of lactic acid buildup post-workout. As the set time of a session runs out, the machine is off automatically, so we can undress the cuff. Many thanks for watching the video. Have a good day. Bye.